We're going to do Northwestern hair restoration. It's a business again. We're going to talk about what the best hair restoration procedure is today and what people should be considering. When we look at hair restoration procedures, a lot of people are performing one procedure. It's called FUE. That's when you shave the back of the head. You take essentially a rotating blade to take out a hair follicle and do the implantation. It's a great procedure. The one problem is they just said it requires you to shave the back and sides of your head. But number two, this little device is actually a sharp blade that goes down the hair shaft to get the follicle, but at the same time it's cutting off essentially everything it comes in its path with, which you can cut off the oil gland to hair, and that hair is now lacking its ability to be moisturized, and will result, you'll see essentially a dry, frizzy hair. So if you go online, you'll go see that people have like 95% satisfaction with hair restoration because you get your hair back. That works. However, about a third to half will say that their hairs feel a little dry and frizzy, and that's where a new technology comes in and is better than a basic FUE. And that is the ability to remove these hairs, not with this sharp cylindrical blade, but to vibrate and suck them out. That technology is called micro-FUE, minimally invasive collection by reticular oscillation. Reticular oscillation is the process of vibrating the hair out. In this case, you're not really cutting an oil gland off. You're actually sucking out as much of the healthy hair unit as possible, which means that when you implant the hair, this hair has more of its necessary oil glands, connective tissues to actually create a more natural result. So a lot of people in our clinic will say, wow, these results look better than my previous procedure. They're smoother. They look more healthier, and that's why micro is one of the best procedures out there. Now, micro also requires you to shave your head to do. You don't get that benefit, but you get the natural hairs. But there are other techniques out there that don't require you to shave your head. For a basic FUE, that technology is called no shave FUE. Basically what you're doing is you're just cutting little chunks of hair and then you're getting the hairs out. They're still buzzed essentially. That's how you get them out. Micro FUE, you have an option called discrete FUE where you can actually get the hair out vibration suction, and you get the added benefit of actually being able to implant the full hair. But both of those procedures tend to decrease the naturality of the result because it's hard to select the right hair when you're looking through a forest. That buzzing down really does impact that. So if I were to choose what the best procedure is, it's actually a micro FUE using vibration suction to take the hair out, but still using the buzz cut and just going to like the 10 to 14 days it takes to regrow the hair. That's going to give you the best result possible. So micro FUE all day. That's a Northwestern hair developed technology, and that's why we're considered one of the best hair restoration clinics in Chicago.